Okay, how to adjust Harbor Freight torque range. So I got this torque range and I'm gonna adjust using this guy. So I'm gonna put it in the Y's. Actually no. First I do this, take this off, basically put it in the Y's. Take this nut off. So you take this guy off. Okay, put it away, and this is where basically I'm gonna just spinning this guy right here. Oh boy. Right there, this guy with the thread on. So, okay, I might set 20 on 28 foot-pound. So I have an adapter because it's 3/8 and this one only have a 1/2 inch. So put this guy in a vise. Turn this on. Okay, what we got here, and then I'm gonna start turning. Okay, so it's 30.1, so it's a little bit too much, makes too much torque. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to, it says 28. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna hold this guy. I'm gonna hold this in place. Okay. And then now this one stays in place. Let me put it in the vise. Make sure this guy not spinning, but I'm gonna spin this guy. So I need 30, spin to the 30. Okay. Okay. Okay, now it's 30. Now it should be right. So basically what I'm doing, I hold this one still and I spin this guy till it's get to 0, which is 30, which is this one show me. So mine was 28 and this guy was showing 30, and then I spin this one till this one hit 0. It's mean 30 foot-pounds, and now it should be showing right. So let's see. Okay. Moment of truth. There we go. 30.6. He used to be two foot-pounds off. Now it's pretty close. It's 30 pounds, 30.6. It's really close. So okay. I hope it's helped somebody. And then whatever, I put this one back. And now put this back, everything in place. And then I put it back in a vise. And carefully tighten this back. Okay, now it's tight. Okay, that's it. Good to go. Thank you for watching.